Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video we're actually going to see the next part of the making a dress with me. So first of all, select the dress and the inner we made and join them. After that, go to the materials and remove the material for the inner one. Here I am starting the shortcut YVUR for you guys to see what I'm doing. It's on the right corner. You can see what I'm doing with the mouse. So after that, we have to UV edit and shade this thing. So for UV editing, we are going to go up here in this column. You can see UV editing and shading. So this is UV editing. UV editing is basically like you have to cut the pieces, like you cut the materials and you design for it, and shading is where you actually give the textures to the material and import it. Like if you are a 2D editor, you can actually see in the website itself. Like in the Zepeto website, you can actually see the UV image of the image you are going to upload on there, and also the shaded image. So this is the shading option. Here you can see a lot of nodes here, and as you can see, there are a lot of options. We don't need anything. We are just going to add an texture, which is an image texture. Just click there, and for color, just join the color to base color. Before that, you have to actually create a new image with the width and height of 512 px, and you can actually name them and click OK. So now just join the color to base color. So in this notes, you can actually use this to create a variety of materials, like different types of textures. There are a lot of textures like glass texture or something, which I have used in some of the thumbnails in my video, but I have not yet mastered it. You can actually see the in the image is in the avatar we created. That image is in the avatar we created. After that, I'm going to UV editing. Here I'm going to cut the dress as per I want, so it will be easy for me to give textures to it, color it, or add some designs. So I'm just going to cut in the sidewise. So after you need to mark seam for that, so it is cutting. So this cutting helps you to like divide your clothes where it will be easy for you to like give the image textures. So mark seam. So after that, you have to also do this to your inner, but I don't think I'm going to do this. So yeah, after that, select all, and you need to unwrap it. Here I'm actually searching for the unwrap button, so yeah, this is not yet unwrapped. Since I have not actually used this blender for so much days, I actually forgot a lot about it. I'm really sorry. There is the unwrapper from the very first one. So you can actually see like the cut we made has become the front and back portion. So you can actually select these things to check where as well. So here I'm selecting this portion, so you can actually see the top side is in the down and bottom side is in the up. So you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this, but just did it because I needed a black background for something, so you don't have to do this. So next thing is baking. Baking is basically like cutting the material to correct size. We actually use render cycle. And then we select bake. You can actually play with this bake type like normal, tangent. There are a lot of bake types. You can actually play with it. So I'm trying on with I think you should go with diffuse, but I don't think I'm going to go with diffuse right now. It may take some time. Like I can actually see the thing is loading here. So this is basically the normal map where you can actually add a lot of texture. So we are going to make a new V. Oh, it takes time, so you can actually see the difference in the maps. So let me try something else. Position. Sometimes some baking types take a lot of time. Sometimes your blender may not work properly. So you can actually see the position mapping here. Now I'm going to use diffuse, which is what you have to use, which is what I used in previous videos, I think so. So after the diffuse map comes, you are going to save this map. You can actually see this is the correct cutting of the material in the diffuse. So you can try some other stuffs too, but I think it's enough for me, so I'm going to save it, image, and save. I have saved it. So it is important for you to know where the top, like the front portion is, and where the back portion is. So I close the windows right now, and yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.